My mum used to make, she was a primary school teacher, and she used to make clothes for the kind of school productions, and she used to let me run around in kind of large tulle skirts and kind of lock the door so my dad wouldn't come in, and we would sort of dance. The clothes my mum was making were sort of bright lilacs and deep yellows and kind of violent purples. They were all swishy and flowy and volume and tulle and an excess of material. It was perfect. It was really perfect. There's nothing like a private moment between a mother and daughter. I think it's something very sacred. There's like a resonant femininity. It was a kind of moment pre-transition, pre-estrogen for me that was very in harmony and very just allowed to be. There's just something really freeing and transformative about being able and allowed to be yourself.